What do you think when you see the word diesel? Think bigger. In the last 30 years, the diesel industry has come a long way. With a career as a diesel technician, you'll be on the leading edge of technology in a clean facility with opportunities for continuous learning and advancement. You'll start your journey in a diesel technology education program, which will include on-the-job training. Be on the leading edge of technology. Today's diesel engines are built using state-of-the-art technology and tools. In Diesel Tech, you'll learn to use the latest in engineering, technology, and design applications with computers, tablets, telematics, and advanced diagnostic tools and equipment. You'll use the latest technology to troubleshoot problems with ease and perform high-caliber repairs. Working conditions. Work in engine centers, equipment manufacturing and repair facilities, distribution centers, dealers, and other diesel and equipment-related locations. You'll be welcomed into big, clean, inviting facilities that provide best-in-class service. We strive to provide a comfortable, safe work environment where you can easily build or repair high-quality equipment. Continuous learning. Diesel technology is always improving. To keep up with the changes, you'll receive quality on-the-job training and opportunities for classroom and online courses. When you think bigger, you'll have innovative ways to continuously improve your skill level, making you a more valuable employee. Advancement opportunities. A lot of diesel equipment is, well, big. Your opportunities as a Diesel Tech employee are even bigger. Over 68% of supervisors and management-level staff in diesel truck facilities today started out in the industry at the same place you will. The starting wage for diesel technicians in equipment repair ranks in the top 12% of other comparable jobs.
I wanted to be a diesel technician. I love this program to death. We've learned how to build semi-engines, how to measure pistons, and using micrometers. This is the best part of my day. This is where I'm having the most fun.
Talk to your career counselor today to see what classes to sign up for to qualify for a big opportunity in Diesel Tech.